Welcome back to Superior Sunrise. Now with me is Ryan Connor with Bobcat. Ryan, thanks for being here and thanks for being on the show this morning. Let's just dive right into it and tell us a little bit about the Bobcat company.
Yeah, thank you for having me this morning. So Bobcat actually started in agriculture. We started out in the 50s building machines for turkey farmers, and so we really tried to stay in touch with our agriculture roots. We're still built just up the road from Council Bluffs here in Gwinner, North Dakota. That's where a lot of our loaders are built. So we came to Superior Livestock. This is our first year out here, and we're excited to be here. It's a great way to reach another ag market, and hopefully we have a good presence at the show. Before
we came on air, we were talking about the skid steer loader that you guys have. Tell us all about that.
Yeah, so we're really highlighting the T650 track loader while we're out here. It's a great machine for the ag market, whether you're loading silage, hauling bales, or just kind of yard maintenance with a brush cutter, a mower, anything like that. So we've got over 80 attachments for our track loader and for our loaders, our loader line. And so, there's really an attachment for anything at Bobcat Company.
I know there's a lot of bells and whistles that go into it, and that's what we were talking about as well. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, part of the engineering process behind a Bobcat is trying to make it as ingenuitive as possible. And so, we really focus on being able to reach the consumer in a serviceability aspect as well. So we know a lot of our customers really like to work on their own machines. And so a big part of our product line is letting that customer be able to work on their machine at their own farm, ranch, or any shop they may have. So
Charlie and I were talking this morning too about Bobcat, and he said it's a great company and it's great that they really do take pride in being a part of the agriculture industry. Tell us how important you think it is for a producer to, buy into your guys' products.
Yeah, absolutely. We're an American-made product. Again, like I said, most of our loaders are shipped right out of Gwinner, North Dakota, and so being in touch with this market is obviously something that we've come from, and that's where our company started out. Now we work in all kinds of markets now, but again, staying in touch with that agriculture roots is something that's always been important to Bobcat Company, and we've never really lost that. So,
if anybody wants to learn more about Bobcat or just find out more about your guys' products, how can they go about doing that?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of product information on bobcat.com, as well as you can find a dealer with our dealer locator tool on our website. We have over 550 dealers nationwide, and so there's definitely a dealer near you.
And if anybody wants to know about any new products that you have coming out, can you share that with us? Do you have anything that's new on the market?
Well, we do have our industry exclusive Toolcat. That's something that no other competitor really has anything like it. It's kind of between a utility vehicle and a loader, and so that's something that's unique to us. And then we just came out with our skid and track loader 595 is our newest model. It's a 74 horsepower mid-frame machine, and so it's got a lot of torque, a lot of horsepower, and it's definitely a workhorse. It's another great one for the agriculture market when you're working in tough conditions. You need a lot of extra traction, a lot of extra torque working through mud.
Well, I want to thank you for coming on this morning, Ryan. And when we come back, another great guest. Don't go anywhere.